Ever notice how sending holiday cards feels like a pop quiz on who's still in your life? You're going through your list thinking, Aunt Sally, did she move or did she join a cult? Cousin Tim, is he still allergic to paper? It's a wild ride, folks, and we're all strapped in. And let's not forget the great holiday pastime of untangling fairy lights. Oh, the joy of spending 3 hours untangling a string of lights only to find out that half of them don't work. But hey, who needs a fully lit tree when you can have a half-lit one that vaguely resembles a Christmas-themed crime scene? Then it's time for the cookie baking bonanza. You know, the one where you swear you followed the recipe, but you end up with something that resembles a science experiment gone wrong. You're standing there, looking at these cookies, thinking, I'm sure the dog will eat them. But then you remember your dog has standards. But it's not a true holiday season without the gingerbread house crafting saga. You start with visions of a quaint Hansel and Gretel style cottage. But 2 hours in, you're covered in icing, there's gumdrops in your hair, and your creation looks more like a poorly executed modern art installation. But hey, it's not about the final product, right? It's about the final product. And let's end with the gift wrapping marathon. You've got paper cuts in places you didn't know could get paper cuts. There's more tape on you than the gifts, and you've somehow lost 4 pairs of scissors. But that's all part of the holiday magic, isn't it? So here's to the chaos that is the holiday season, where everything that can go wrong will go wrong, but we wouldn't have it any other way, because at the end of the day, it's these hilariously disastrous moments that bring us together and make the season bright, or at least half bright, depending on your fairy light situation. And remember, folks, if you got a laugh out of this festive fiasco, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more hilarious tales, and share the joy with your friends. Because nothing says happy holidays like communal laughter at our collective holiday misadventures. Until next time, keep your tinsel untangled and your gingerbread houses standing. Or at least leaning. Happy holidays.